Hey you guys, it's me, datgirldannie. Happy New Year. Today is my second video of my after Christmas reset, and today I am going to be completing my to-do list. Here's what my living room is looking like right now. I got rid of all of those toys, but next up we have to finish what's on this list. Okay, so next on the list is tidying up Braxtons Room. Braxton is my 2-year-old, and this is what his bedroom is looking like right now. We have an unmade bed, toys all over the floor, unfolded laundry. So today we are going to tackle this. First things first is folding up this little basket of laundry. This laundry is mainly his clothes. I try to keep the boys' clothes washed separately so I can just put the laundry basket in their room and put it away when I get a chance. So these are all Braxton's clothes. I really wish I was able to fold this fast. This actually took about 40 minutes to complete this little load of laundry. Doesn't look like a lot, but he has small clothes. So now I'm just putting away the laundry in his dresser, which is also his changing table. I know he's 2 and he still has a changing table, but he's potty training. As you can see, he has some pull-ups right there I have to put away. Tidying things up. I'm not going to do a complete wipe down, but I'm just making sure everything is in its place. In case you're curious about that iPad, we use that old iPad right there as music for him to play when he's either taking a nap or he's sleeping. He listens to lullaby music, kind of helps set the tone for when he's about to go to sleep. Now I am organizing his favorite spot in his room, which is his books. He loves to just go through his books and just pick them all out, throw them on the floor, everything. A lot of his books are just little books. I try to keep just board books in his room, otherwise he'll tear the pages out of a regular book. But this is just his little bookshelf. Now I am making his bed. His bed does have a rail on it that prevents him from rolling out the bed. Kind of makes making the bed a little hard. Then I go into his little tent to get all the things that are hidden in there. Mostly it's just his food items. Next thing on the list is to set up this organization for his toys. What it is, as you can plainly see, is just milk crates. I have 3 milk crates in a row with some cushion on top that I made. We kind of use it as a bench, but we don't use it as a bench. So now I'm just putting 3 more milk crates attached to it. And now what I'm going to do is zip tie these together. After I zip tie them together, there'll be a sturdy storage unit for his toys. So in the first video, you saw me take these plastic bins downstairs and just put the toys that were going in his room in the plastic bins. Now I'm just putting these plastic bins into the milk crates for his storage. So this is a hack to prevent the milk crate storage unit from tipping over. What I'm doing is taking a rolling book bag where we don't use the straps, cutting off a piece of the strap and burning the end so that it doesn't fray. And what I'm going to do is use this to attach to the wall and the milk crate so it doesn't tip over. Otherwise it would tip over if he tries to climb on it or something like that. So this is to make it safe and secure. See, if you pull on it, it won't fall off. So now we're back in the living room. It's clean, it's tidy, but there's still Christmas decorations. And Christmas is over at this point, so it's time to take down all of these decorations. Here's Braxton making an appearance. I see that he wants to help me take down the Christmas ornaments. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking all of our handmade ornaments. We have been making some of our ornaments. This is the second year that we did it. And so I'm just taking those so they don't break. This is one that we did last year. Just make it out of some modeling clay that you oven bake modeling clay. This is another one that we made, but let's get this tree undecorated. There we go, no more ornaments. Now let's take down this garland and all the other stuff that we have on the fireplace and mantle. And this is our Advent calendar. I would link it below, but it's not good quality. And now all the ornaments that are organized, I'm just putting it into this larger bin so we can store it in the attic. Lastly, my husband is putting a tree in a box. We're also going to store that in the attic. We store all of our decorations for the holidays in the attic. That's really the only space that we have to store it. This is the last part of the tree, and we're saying adios, tree. We'll see you next time. So the last step is to reset, and how I'm resetting is by not lifting another finger. So we got an iRobot for Christmas, and what I'm doing is sitting back and letting it vacuum my living room. At first I thought it only vacuumed floors, but it vacuums carpet too. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you catch my last video, and please click on that notification bell. My very next video will be a hair video where I kind of talk a little bit more about my hair shedding. So be sure to click the notification so you see the next time I upload. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day.